Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US stocks ended with modest losses as the focus shifted after last week's AI-fueled rally to upcoming economic data that could affect the timing of the Federal Reserve's expected interest rate cut. Bitcoin topped $54,000 on Monday, breaking through a key resistance level that capped prices since mid-February. Solana led altcoin gains, while crypto-focused stocks Coinbase, MicroStrategy, Marathon Holdings and Riot Platforms booked double-digit advances. China's top EV maker, BYD, backed by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, is more versatile than it might appear. This week, they unveiled a $230,000 supercar just a few days after releasing a hatchback priced at under $14,000.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US durable goods orders at 1330 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 1330 GMT. Germany's GfK consumer confidence survey will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Finland's industrial confidence at 0600 hours GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.